We are here with the
live. This is Jeff, text it out. Oh, I want to say super cool collectibles.
Anyway, I'm here with the iPhone 11. It's the red one, and we're going to look at it in another super cool
unboxing.
Alright, here we are. The iPhone 11.
My iPhone.
Bye. Anyway, you got the product red. Now this comes in a variety of colors. You got all kinds of mint greens and yellows and blues. It's really, I think, probably the best option for the iPhone this year. Because I don't feel like a lot of the extra features are really worth it. And I did play with this in the Apple Store, and I was really impressed by the cameras.
We had to play with an Apple Store because we had to open it up because there was problems activating my damn new phone.
Anyway, I got ahead of myself. I want to pop the top off this thing. So let's get that out the way. So you got the phone right here. You got the back. You got the lovely camera bump. I actually like the camera bump better than on the Pro series. I feel like it looks more stylish to me. Like I feel like it looks more like a fashion statement, especially with this product red. I really like how deep the red is this year. Let's just quickly go over the other stuff in the box. So this is different. So you get your little product red pamphlet thing. That's different. And then this just tells you about their partnership to contribute to the fight against HIV and AIDS.
That's what World AIDS Foundation, isn't it?
It just says programs.
So it must be multiple programs then.
Yeah. Got your SIM tool. You got your little welcome kit.
What do you mean SIM tool?
Take out the SIM card.
Really? Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see it at the bottom. That's what I was. We have like 3 of those now.
That's pretty cool. I like how they add that in there. I do like that. And then you get your basic USB-A.
You also get your stickers. Don't forget your stickers.
The stickers are the most important. I was gonna get to that. Got your basic USB-A charger. It's not fast charger. This doesn't come with a fast charger. That's one of the Pro things. Your USB cable, same old standard, and these headphones that we literally never even open. Might as well just leave them in the box.
I have my iPod, my AirPods, so I'm fine. I don't need these.
Bye. So let's go ahead. We're gonna take the plastic off. That's what everybody's waiting. Oh, woo! It's nice and crisp. I really like the design of this phone. I feel like it has a good weight to it. I feel like the feel is really good, and it's that middle size that probably works for most people. Really? This is gonna be a reoccurring thing now? We're gonna go ahead and do a quick cut and get this set up. Alright, we are back with the 11. My bad. But
I think my phone already.
It looks really good. Honestly, this screen looks outstanding. Like, you really have to see it in person. But I don't think that there's that much difference. Like, if I'm just using this day to day, I'm really not going to notice that much of a difference between this and the OLED. My opinion. A lot of people tell the bezels are kind of thick. They are thicker than the OLED models, but that is kind of a trade-off. But they're not like, especially with this product red, I think it looks really good. I think the contrast between the bezels and the end of the phone looks really nice. Then, of course, this phone, you've played around with this phone when we were setting it up. Is it just me, or does this feel like, it's like the little things, but it just feels like it does feel a little bit snappier than last year's phones?
Yeah. Obviously, it's a little bit faster.
But I didn't really feel that big of a difference when we went from like the 7 to last year's phone as far as speed. This, for some reason, I think to me, because I started using the widgets a lot more, like when I go over to the widgets, there's a lot less lag.
Yeah.
So it's little things, but it does to me feel faster. But yes, this is the iPhone 11
product red.
And
it's either going to be product red or yellow.
You won't get in that. You won't get in the yellow.
I like the
yellow.
yellow
You're not
one.
either. I'm taking this phone. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe, and always do at least 2 things at the same time. I don't feel like we should end the video this way.
Well, what do you mean?
I feel like we gotta end it with the world famous Slow feet.